Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Open Gmail and pick the account you'll work in. Use the search bar or labels to narrow results, then select messages with checkboxes or open a conversation. Once done, decide. Archive just these, whole threads or batches by label. This matters because Archive removes inbox visibility without deleting. Make sure you understand that archived mail stays searchable and in all mail. If you want speed, apply a label first. It preserves organization after archiving. Now perform the archive. On desktop, click the Archive button or press E. On mobile, tap the Archive icon or swipe the conversation if gestures are enabled. Once archived, messages leave the inbox but remain in all mail and under any applied labels, which is why applying labels before archiving helps retrieval. If processing many messages, set up a search filter and select all results, then archive in batches to avoid rate limits. Also, monitor undo for a few seconds in case you change. Finish by verifying archived mail. Search sender or subject and confirm items appear in all mail or under the chosen label. If you don't find a message, make sure it wasn't deleted, auto-forwarded, or moved by a filter or third-party client. Check trash and filter rules next. Once done, adjust Archive vs. Delete swipe behavior in mobile settings to prevent accidents. If something went wrong, use undo right away or restore from trash within 30 days. Act quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.